Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Van9005. First, a simple restart of your computer can often clear up minor software conflicts causing this error. After restarting, make sure your Windows operating system is completely up to date, as outdated systems can trigger security-related issues. Also, check your game client for any pending updates and verify the integrity of your game files. These initial steps are crucial for a stable gaming environment. The Van9005 error often points to issues with system security features. You need to confirm that your computer supports both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing a key like F2 during startup. Within these settings, locate and enable the Trusted Platform Module, or TPM, and then find and activate the Secure Boot option. These are critical for modern game security. Once inside your BIOS or UEFI, ensure your system's boot mode is set to UEFI, not Legacy. Legacy mode can prevent Secure Boot from functioning correctly. Additionally, you might need to disable the Compatibility Support Module, or CSM, if it is currently enabled. After making these adjustments, remember to save your changes before exiting the BIOS or UEFI utility. A system reboot will then apply these new configurations. If the error persists, try running a system file checker scan to repair any corrupted Windows files. As a last resort, a complete reinstallation of the game might be necessary to ensure all files are fresh and correctly installed. If all else fails, gather your system information and reach out to the game's official support team for personalized assistance. Sometimes, updating your motherboard's firmware can also resolve deep-seated compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.